market was practically all that was expected, literally. Still I anticipate the pullback. Me personally anticipate a pullback. You know, I have a few pulls, I have a few puts, pulls. But tell me how you do to the stock market, is it? And with that being said, me I look on QUBT as always. Right? So QUBT dropped today, and people are wondering why QUBT dropped. Isn't it a good quantum stock too? All of these questions, you know, what's going on? Why it a tank and the other quantum stock going ahead? Alright, so I did some deep dive and I realized what happened is that QUBT, that's quantum computing, they raised 750 million in private placement. So the stock fall this morning. Like when you wake up this morning, the stock was like down $2, $3, $4. It then recovered to be like $2 something down. However, the reason why they did that placement, they're using that capital that they raise to actually commercialize the product. You know what I mean? So they're putting that money back into the company. And like I said, them take out the money and like, you know what I mean? Them take out the money to fuel the company's growth. So it's a good thing if you look at it that way. So they started automatically have to drop. But the market cap is still low. It's 4.6, hovering around 4.6 billion CME. So the market is easy to be moved. And my forward prediction is that QUBT can definitely hit $30. And I'm not a financial advisor, but that's my 2 cents. You know what I mean? Yeah. Always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you reach this far in the video, please leave a like on the video and also drop a comment. You see it? Because we're going to keep posting, we're going to keep on update on what I am doing in the market. Right? Alright, talk about what me I do in the market too. Because me I anticipate a pullback, right? QS. Even though I want it to hit $20 in the long run, I still feel like it's overextended. I think there is a lot of volume in it still. That it's a lot of sellers are there, but the buyer them keep on out with them, right? But I just feel the pullback will come. Me personally feel the pullback will come. So what I do, I put out a put on it blood clot. So let's see what will happen through this week and the end of next week, because it's a 2-week contract. Option play, right? If it pull back to at least like $13, and if it anywhere at the $13 region, then we're gonna get a call on it if it go upwards. But the market can't just go up, so I can't take it. The market like this, there's a lot of uncertainty. Can't be uncertain, you know. Month over month, the market is go up and up and up and up and up and up and up, which is good. It's very good. But you don't want to just throw your money in and allow one stock and then you wake up tomorrow morning and the whole market tank because the market start doing its correction. And then the thing that is being talked about and a lot of persons, because what happened, you know, when three persons decide that we have a lot of shares in a company, decide they're gonna sell, and somebody realize that it's selling, it's just gonna sell right off. Reason being, because chain reaction. Moral of the story, chain reaction, right? And we all know that we are anticipating this pullback. I was expecting it when the SPY, S&P 500 SPY went down the other day, back to like 652, 51 thereabout when it went back down, and I'm like, yeah, the pullback is coming. But it actually recovered so fast, like it wasn't like more than 3 days. Dim, back up. So it rough out here. It's rough out here. It's rough. Market now player. And if you don't pull back, me gonna keep trade with a lot of uncertainty. However, I have a few calls right now that is in my portfolio. One of my the only call that I have more than one contract off is SoFi. Ticker symbol S. I put it right as so, right? Right, that's all. Yeah, SoFi, SOFI, right? SoFi. I have a lot of conviction that SoFi is going to be a stock for the future. You know what I mean? They will move away from, all right, just like we have Bitcoin, we move away from the regular gold and the regular money and these things. You know what I mean? People, I think Tesla will come out with a flying car too, you know. So don't be surprised Tesla hit $500 before the year end. You see it? Don't be surprised if Tesla hit $500 when the new car drop. But however, it can do a drastic pullback if the car no match up to all this hype that's surrounding it. Especially today, there was a lot of hype. Like what? How, they see like a stiplet of what Elon is about to drop. You know what I mean? I'm here, there, and everywhere in the market today, and that's how this video is. So make your 2 cents to it. But my stocks, the moment trade today, I sold my BMNR. I probably sell it too early because BMNR is heavy in Ethereum. Like it have billions of dollars in Ethereum. But at the end, and Ethereum is running to all-time high and all-time high. And I sold my contract that I have in it. I had that contract from earlier in September. It's like my 3rd or 4th contract that I ever have, you know. And it's been in my account sometime. It was down. Today it went into the green, and I'm like, finally, you know. And I went to where I am comfortable with the profit. I got boost too. My cousin tell me, say, "Cuz take profit." So I took profit. Yeah, and I was gonna leave it until tomorrow because Ethereum is running, and the treasury for BMNR is, you know what I mean, Ethereum itself. So a little bit of Bitcoin, and you know what going over this also. Yeah, I saw my shares there. However, depending on how the market is going tomorrow, I may get another contract on it. But I gotta see how the market is moving tomorrow before I decide what I'm gonna do, you know? Like, yeah. Just in the week update I was going, but today was ridiculous. Today was mad. So I just wanted to come and say, hey, trade smart. You never go broke from taking profit. You never go broke from taking profit. Remember that.